After attending a sports competition in China in 2008, Frédéric Moll, a French athlete, fell in love with China. 7 years later, Moll moved to China and has been involved in mountain tourism in southwest China's Guizhou province ever since. Moll says he has lived an incredible life during his 6-year stay in China.
It was my first touch with China, and I fall in love with China. When I came in 2008, I was very surprised to find a country with people very welcome, and a country in full development with lot of things to do. So I kept that in my mind. In 2015 I came back definitely to live in China, and since that time we live an incredible life. I really visited lot of places in Guizhou. Guizhou is a paradise for that. Each small mountain is a paradise.
Mount Fanjingshan, a natural habitat for more than 7,000 species of wild flora and fauna in Guizhou, was inscribed on the World Heritage List of UNESCO in 2018. Since Fanjingshan was made a National Nature Reserve in 1984, environmental protection has been a priority, with only necessary tourist facilities being built and less than a tenth of the reserve is open to tourists. Moll says this is the way that other scenic spots need to follow.
Fanjingshan, they protect this forest. I think they already have a good development because yes, they protect the forest and they don't destroy the site. This is not the case in other scenic spots. This is very important to preserve the mountain, to preserve plant, animals who live in the mountain. This is the way the scenic spot need to follow, not only Fanjingshan, Hongoshu, Zhejiangdong, all these famous places in Guizhou concerning tourism. I think France is the first country to develop mountain tourism in the world. It was 100 years ago. So France have very long experience about mountain tourism. So can help China a lot, because China just started maybe 10 years ago, 15 years ago maximum. How Chinese people build the destination in the mountain for the tourism. This is a little same France does. This is a really incredible province, and it's really possible to develop a lot of things and to make people live something different in Guizhou.
Meanwhile, southwest China's Sichuan and Guizhou provinces, as well as Chongqing municipality, have launched an alliance to strengthen cooperation in culture and tourism.